Now, on this, in this episode, we'll be figuring out how to find a song on the key of C. We've played a lot with Mary Had a Little Lamb. I want us to try some popular songs like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Happy Birthday to You, and Your Alpha and Omega. I really don't know how many of those songs we'll be able to do in this video, but let's see how it goes. The first thing you want to know is that you can play any given song on different keys. Right? So this is C. What you want to do is hum when you hit the do chord of every scale to get the background of what the song should sound like. So this is so if you are going to sing on this key, you hum Mary had a leaf. You see, it sounds well. Not that you are playing on this key on your C chord, this is your C do chord, and you are singing Mary had a leaf. That doesn't sound like it. That's a different key. You understand? This is Mary had a. So every scale has the way songs should be sung on them. You understand? So before you look for a song on the key, play the do chord of that song and then hum it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. If you don't do this first, you will not get the song on the key you want to get it on. You will get the song on another key. You might go play Twinkle, 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 little star, how I wonder, and you are playing this. So the first thing you want to do is to hum it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And why this works a lot is because the do chord of every scale is usually the beginning chord of most songs. Not all songs, but the beginning chord of most songs. It is also usually the last chord of most songs. So another way of finding it, the key of a song, is to sing the ending of the song, right? So basically, when you get that, twinkle, twinkle, little star, what you have to do is now find the twinkle, twinkle. Usually, the first note of most songs is either a do, mi, or sol. Because do is usually the first chord, the first note is usually do, mi, or sol. For example, Mary had starts with mi. Mi, re, do. See, mi is part of the do chord. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That's do. Do, do. So twinkle. Did you get that? Twinkle. So you hum it. Do you think it went up or it went down? I think it went up. So if it went up, it means you are going to search for the second part of the song here and not here. So twinkle, twinkle, no. Twinkle, twinkle, no. Twinkle, twinkle, no. Twinkle, twinkle. That's it. Do, do, so, so. Do you see how I'm looking for this song? That's how you find it. Do, do, so, so. And now when you find it, you have to call it its name. That's the do and so. That's what will help you remember it later. So, do, do, so, so, little star. So, it sounds like it's going high. So it means we are still going up. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. So that's it. Do, do, so, so, la, la, star, twinkle, star. It comes down a little. Star. So that's it. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so. So if you see what I'm doing, when I hear a sound, I try to detect if it is higher than the previous note or lower. If it is higher, I go up. If it's lower, I come down. So, so hum it. It sounds like it's going low again. So that's fa fa. Wonder what you are. So it's do do so so la la so fa fa mi mi re re do. Always watch the fingers I use in playing my songs. Up above the world, so I That's it. Up above the world. No, not what so high. That's how you search for songs the first time, right? So it's so fa mi re. Like a diamond in the sky. So fa mi re. Again. Then twinkle twinkle do so la so fa mi re do. And now that is the end of the song. Basically, we just looked for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the key of C. Alright? Now, the next thing you would want to do is to find the chords of the song. We know that Do, the first chord is Do, so you can do Do, So. We'll go to La. La is in the Fa chord. So if you press your Fa chord here, that's Fa, La, Do. It means Fa can go. So is in the Do, so you come back to Do. So Do, so, la, so. So is in the Do chord, so you come back to Do here. So twinkle, twinkle, little star. Do you see that? Do, so, la, so. Fa is in the Fa chord, so we'll go back to Fa. Mi is in the Do chord, Re is in the Sol chord, Re, so. Up above the world, so high. So, fa, mi, re. You know, So is in the Do chord, Fa is in the Fa chord, Mi is in the Do chord, Re comes in again. So, fa, mi, re. Then repeat it again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Basically, it's a repetition of what we did before. So, basically, that's how you find the song. You find the song, then you find the chords, and you add it together. Now, pause and play and rewind and slow this video down till you can get how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. In the next video, I'll be teaching on how to play Happy Birthday to You and You Are Alpha and Omega. See you in the next videos. Take care.